Welcome back to our Stealthy Finance Tips channel, where we dive deep into the world of finance with a twist. Today, we're uncovering 3 stealthy strategies that are so unconventional, they might just change your financial game forever. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Today's topic: Stealthy Strategies. Top 3 Unconventional Finance Tips. Stealthy strategy number 1, the envelope system with a twist. First up, the classic envelope system, but with a modern twist. We all know about the traditional method where you divide cash into different envelopes for expenses. But what if we told you there's a way to take it digital and boost your savings effortlessly? Use multiple online bank accounts, each dedicated to a specific goal or expense. Automate transfers to these accounts as soon as you get paid. This not only keeps your budget in check but also helps you avoid impulsive spending. Imagine the satisfaction of watching each goal-funded account grow every month. Now, here's the twist. Add a fun money account. Yes, reward yourself guilt-free. It's important to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And trust us, this balance keeps you motivated to stick to your budget. Stealthy strategy number 2, investing in yourself first. Next, let's talk about an investment that never fails: investing in yourself. We often overlook this unconventional yet powerful strategy. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking a course, or improving your health, these investments have the highest returns. I understand you already started thinking about it, isn't it? Consider this: every skill you acquire, every book you read, and every workout you complete increases your potential to earn more and save more. It's like planting seeds for future financial stability. Take a moment right now to think about what skill or habit you can start investing in today. Your future self will thank you. Stealthy strategy number 3, the power of micro-investing. Finally, let's explore the world of micro-investing. You don't need thousands to start investing. Platforms like Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash allow you to invest small amounts regularly, making investing accessible to everyone. Think about this: by investing the cost of your daily coffee, you could build a substantial portfolio over time. Micro-investing turns spare change into a powerful tool for wealth building. Imagine sipping your coffee, knowing that you're also growing your wealth with every cup. It's a simple yet effective strategy that makes investing part of your daily routine. Conclusion: these stealthy strategies may be unconventional, but they're designed to fit seamlessly into your life and transform your financial future. If you found these tips valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest finance hacks. Join our community of savvy savers and smart investors. Share your own unconventional tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way.